Okay, so it's Monday again. Happy Monday. So this is like my overview of the weekend. Overall, I did good with like my big meals. I think I got enough protein in and stuff like that. But on Friday, I had a box of Mike and Ike's, which I shouldn't have had, but once in a while, you know, you can treat yourself. So I'm not beating myself up for that. I did have some alcohol, some like rum on Saturday, and then last night I had some wine. Like the weekend is always the struggle for me because that's when I have the most free time, and you know, I just want to go out and buy stuff or whatever. So I'm doing better at controlling myself. What? This shit wasn't even recording this whole time, you know? I was like, good morning. What's up? It's Steph. Welcome to my channel. And my thing wasn't even recording. This video is kind of like the last video that I had. I'm just still tracking like what I'm eating and all of that because I'm just trying to get fit. So it's just another journey to get fit. I came home a few hours ago. I was at the club last night and now I'm going to work. But this weekend, I was away for the weekend and I was eating pretty bad. Like I had pizza. I didn't eat that much yesterday, and then when I did eat, I had fried chicken, and I don't like usually eat anything with like oil or fried or stuff like that. I try to stay away from that. So this is what I like to call like my fat burning meal, like my fat burning breakfast if I have like a bad weekend of eating or something like that. The first thing that I do is it's mad simple, honestly. Like I don't even have to do much. All I do is, this is my Keurig right here. So I'm just making some black coffee. It has to be black coffee because that's just what burns fat. And then I just have oatmeal. I know this is the apples and cinnamon oatmeal. I bought this from Trader Joe's. I have it with vanilla, unsweetened almond breeze milk. Sorry, the lighting is so stupid in here. I have a little bit of peanut butter. It's like a scoop because you don't want to get crazy. You want to like monitor how much you eat portion. And then I'm gonna have half a banana, and that's it. It's gonna fill me up, and it's gonna burn fat. Because I have no groceries at home, I just got a shake. I always put a scoop of chocolate protein, some strawberries, a banana, some peanut butter, and a little bit of frozen vanilla yogurt. Smoothie is so bomb. So now, I'm gonna go and see if I can get a chicken Caesar salad wrap from Kelly's. This is the wrap. What I love is that their chicken looks like real fresh chicken. Some chips. And then my shake. I'm about to kill this meal. Shower, go to work. Come back and clean and stuff like that. Oh, good morning. Happy Thursday. Is it a happy Thursday? I'm gonna make it a happy Thursday. My morning sucked. Consistency, dedication, and discipline. Yeah. Like if you're not consistent with it, don't even bother. Because it's better to like keep up with it and just see, because how are you gonna know, like how are you gonna know if you're making progress if you don't do it every day? If you just like feel like, oh, I'm gonna work out Monday, Thursday, Saturday, but then like I'll eat good half of the week, and then the other half of the week I'm just gonna like eat popcorn and chips and stuff like that. Like what's the point? That's the thing. Like consistency is the key that I was missing. I kept talking about it, but I didn't even have that key to the door. I kept saying consistency is key, and I didn't have that key. Like people will say that working out is hard. It is hard, but I think like trying to control your cravings and temptations is a lot harder, especially if you crave sweets or pasta. So,
Hi, how can I help you?
hi, can I have a small black ice with a blueberry flavor shot?
Small ice black with the blueberry flavor?
Yes.
Anything else?
Can I have a plain donut also, please?